We're here today at C&K Precision. I'm here with Matt Cowsall to have a look at his subcontract facility. Very impressive. A lot of variety of machinery from 5-axis to 3-axis. And they recently purchased some Quadrovac vacuum workholding from Thame Workholding. And here to talk to you about it. Can you tell me a little bit about how C&K kind of came about and what the roots are?
Yeah, of course, yeah. Well, it was started in 1969 by my father, so we're a second generation company, well established, 50 plus years. We've invested heavily, new machines, new tooling, new software. So we've really moved on quite a bit really over the last 8 years. The latest decision we made was investing with the Quadrovac. Customer approached us. We do a lot for the medical industry.
Okay.
And, one of their products, you need a shield from the X-ray.
Okay, yeah.
So there's basically two materials, have a tungsten or lead to do the shielding. This particular one is lead. So these were like, 800 mil by 600 mil, quite big. So we thought, how are we going to machine them? How are we going to grip them? Such big sheets. Just bought a call, we thought, well, we dealt with Thame for 20 plus years. Served as well with the blue vac mats, which we've always used. But obviously, these sheets are way too big for that. So we gave it a call. But David came in and we went through all the drawings for the two different products.
Yeah.
Went through all the four technicalities with the different tapped holes. Some of them have got holes.
You've got through holes and you've got some pockets that go right the way through.
That's right, exactly, which, can be a problem with certain vacuum devices, but Quadrovac being so versatile, you can blank areas off. So it was the perfect product really for what we needed.
And how have you found it? Obviously in terms of how you've used it, and you didn't really have any alternative in terms of a standard method of using it.
That's right. We would have just been so long-winded to do it using conventional methods. It just profitability would have, there'd have been nowhere. We'd have made no money at all. But this enabled us to all the pre-machining in one operation, clamp the lead direct to the table, do the first face, do the edges, all in one setting. No messing around with clamps or anything like that.
Yeah.
I mean,
so I think I saw one of the parts had like an undercut, so you're actually machining the underside of the material.
That's right. Yeah, we can do that all in one operation. So it really made the job. If it wasn't for that, we couldn't really do it. Effectively.
Okay, fantastic.
So it's worked really well for this particular application.
One of the fantastic things about Quadrovac is the versatility of it. How you can remove each individual upstand and replace it with a screw that blocks off the hole. So when you fit the upstands wherever you need them, but if you needed to drill a hole in this position, for instance, you can just unscrew that cap screw, take it out, put a blanking screw in, and then that creates a void there for your drill to break through. So could you tell me a little bit about how you have utilized it and how it's kind of helped you to manufacture the parts that you're making?
Machining these plates here, and other than having the vac plate, we will not be able to hold it. It would have to go on the bed with a jig, causing all sorts of problems. We're also messy. Whereas this, it's just straight on, up to the stops, and away you go, basically. So it's made life easier by some considerable way.
And then the part, I believe you've drilled some holes.
Drill some holes, so we can remove the individual bottom, wherever. So move that around, and so you don't have to drill the beds, you have to drill the back table.
Okay.
So it's,
I mean, one of the good things about Quadrovac is the fact that you can remove individual sections.
We've had them where there's like a big hole in the middle of the plate, so it's removed all them. Right. So there's a big hole, so
it's literally got a frame on the outside.
Exactly. Yes.
Okay, fine.
Yeah.
And so when you load it, you just load it up to these stops.
Up to the stop.
And then just rotate the stops out of the way. Yeah. And then you've got full access to the external profile of the part. So one of the great things about Quadrovac is the modularity of it, and how you can remove and refit, the vacuum pods wherever you need them. And I see here you've got the blanking plates.
Well, we've got amount of plates that are like 600 square, and there's some of them 900, so we put them on from the beginning, so we don't have to do it So it's already on there. Just blank them off and then extend it as and when we need it.
So it gives you that flexibility.
Exactly, yes.
Perfect.
And then we've had it where I've literally just had these front four on. So the rest of the tapes and blanks
all
off.
the blank plates.
I've just used the front because you've got like a small plate.
Okay.
So it's quite versatile. So it's not just big plates, it's small ones as well. And it holds them well. So.
Right. Yeah, no, the pull down force is really significant, isn't it?
Yeah.
I think one of the other things that's nice, I noticed with your plate, it's obviously got that slightly uneven surface.
Yeah.
And I think with the seals on the Quadrovac system,
it's not a solid
conforms to the shape very well.
Yes.
Yeah, you can actually machine sawn blanks with it. And it will still hold.
Yeah.
Okay. Brilliant.
Yeah.
Just wanted to say thank you to C&K for letting us come in and film the Quadrovac project today. As you can see, this enabled them to win a contract that they wouldn't have otherwise been able to. If you have similar challenges with thin work holding, and think vacuum could be a solution, please get in touch and let us walk you through the process of finding a solution.